check back in with Fox Weather Correspondent Robert Ray. He's on the ground there. Robert, front row seat for the welcome to winter. You've had it over the last several days. I was curious to see your shot because O'Hare is reporting snowflakes. There's dry air around, though. Yes. Dylan and I were a little suspicious.
So very light snowflakes right now downtown on Lake Michigan. I don't know if you can even see it in the light a little bit. I don't know. Tomas is going to kind of pan around and see if he can capture it a little bit in the canyon of buildings here in Daley Plaza in Chicago's Loop, which, by the way, you wonder, why is it called the Loop? Well, it's called the Loop because the elevated train that goes quite literally in a loop around the downtown center of Chicago. Can you see that a little bit? I don't know, Ian. Tell me if you can.
Negative so far, Robert. Not yet.
Negative. Okay, well, it should start in earnest at some point. Yeah, I just looked at the radar as well, and it's, we've got a blob of blue over the entire area. So we'll see. But indeed, look, there's the remnant of this weekend, the snow on the ground here at the Christkindl Market, a holiday market. And look at the video, if you can, from this past weekend of all that snow making its way in. As you mentioned, over 8 inches fell on Saturday into Sunday morning. It really didn't stop until then. And that is a single-day record for November here in Chicago. So a lot of snow, not just Chicago. Des Moines got it, parts of Indiana, other areas, the surrounding areas of Chicago, and big travel problems. Of course, this would happen just a couple days after Thanksgiving when everyone's trying to get to where they have to go. And O'Hare, 1,400 plus cancellations just on Saturday, and then that spilled over to Sunday, and some of it even today. And I hope that there's not major problems tonight, but there could be based upon how hard the snow begins to come down. We could get, it just back and forth. At one point it was 3 to 5. Now it's tapered back a little bit, 1 to 3. But again, Lake Michigan kind of runs the show, right, as far as the atmosphere. So we'll see what the snow machine actually does. Regardless, it's another scenario that we're put in here with the cold weather and the temps, and thankfully not terribly windy right now. I don't know, Tomas, you can see up there the flags, the American flag and then the Chicago flag. That is the blue, white, and then the stars. Yep, Chicago has their own flag. So we'll see how it all goes. We'll see how it shakes out. But you see all the folks here. I have to think as we approach more of the 4 or 5 o'clock hour central, people will get off work and they'll come here, get ornaments, perhaps food, and enjoy the festivities on this Monday, the first day of meteorological winter. And to think yesterday was the end of hurricane season. So we're not even transitioning softly here. We've gone right into it. And all the crews that are out and about for the coming days for this next storm that is going to hit the Northeast and the Mid-Atlantic, including myself. I'll be in Boston. Well, we've got Katie Byrne out there. We've got Haley Meyer, Britta Merwin, and so many others trying to cover all of this. At some point, when the snow really starts to come down, Ian, and pardon me while I wipe my nose, you can tell it's cold, then I'm going to actually order one of those hot red German wines. And we're gonna just toast to you and everybody back in New York at the show. But I'm gonna wait till it gets a little bit more holiday-esque and blustery. What do you think?
I think I just saw a snowflake go by. In no time like the present. You know what I mean, Robert?
You did. Okay.
Yeah.
You saw. Well, I mean, we've got another few reports on your show, so I figure let's wait until it's really coming down, hopefully, and then we can fully enjoy it, most certainly. But see, look at these people; they got beers and stuff already, and hot dogs, and you have a bratwurst.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's
all right.
German authentic style bratwurst. It's really good. It's only $12.
So, yeah, for a small $12 bill, we can give you a bun and a bratwurst. But, enjoy it as a pigeon almost hit you in the head.
Oh.
I've been saying about these pigeons in Chicago, one of these days, how they fly right in front of your face? I'm just going to grab it and just hold on to it and see how long I can
I tried to grab
try
one
to grab it.
earlier.
You did?
Yeah, when it almost hit another couple in the face.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, see, that's the thing, Ian. If we can have the snow coming down and I can grab a pigeon while it flies, and I can be drinking a hot German red wine, then I think we got it going. What do you think?
That's it.
It's magician stuff.
All of the great holiday traditions, I suppose, in one. But yeah, just $12 for the bratwurst. I'm a sucker for winter villages. So the mulled wine, all that. It feels like Christmas, and you deserve it, by the way, Robert. So there are no rules here. Any report you want. That's Fox Weather. That's Fox Weather's Robert Ray. We'll be checking in with him for increasingly interesting reports. I'm moving on through this evening. Robert, thank you.